Is it possible to make a high-protein drink without protein powder? You bet! This drink has more than 20 grams of protein, and fiber too, from healthy ingredients. Start with about 250 milliliters of milk. That is equal with 1 235 milliliter cup, plus 1 tablespoon. Then add 1/3 cup of rolled oats. Continue with 2 tablespoons of peanut butter. 1 tablespoon has 15 milliliters in volume. And finish with a half cup of frozen mango, or other fruit that you like. All the ingredients are in the blender. Choose a cycle appropriate for this frozen drink, such as frozen smoothie, and start processing. The drink is ready. Just pour and enjoy. As a note, you can increase the quantity of rolled oats to half cup, equal to 120 milliliters. And increase the protein content to 23.5 grams. I added pictures with the nutritional information for each ingredient from the package or container. At the end, I made a list of ingredients and calculated the nutritional information based on the quantity used in the recipe. Enjoy this healthy and nutritious drink.